What if I told you there's a learning machine out there that learns faster than any human, solves problems with ease that would take us years to crack, and is only getting smarter? And what if I also told you that this learning machine is not science fiction, but already here and all around us today? Well, that learning machine is actually not one but many. It's artificial intelligence, or AI for short. So how does AI learn? Just like us humans, AI's learning process begins with data. We're talking about vast amounts of data, numbers, images, text, you name it. But raw data by itself is kind of like a huge pile of Legos. It's not useful until we do something with it. Enter algorithms. They're the instruction manuals that teach AI how to learn from the data. These algorithms are designed to find patterns, make predictions, and improve over time based on the data they're fed. Think of a popular online shopping platform. They use AI to recommend products you might like based on your browsing history and purchase patterns. Or consider a social media platform. Their AI algorithms analyze your interactions to tailor your news feed, serving up content they think you'll enjoy or find relevant. In the realm of healthcare, AI is revolutionizing how we diagnose diseases. By sifting through tons of patient data, AI can spot patterns that indicate a particular disease much earlier than a human might, allowing for timely interventions. But AI is not just about making recommendations or finding patterns. It can do complex calculations and simulations that would take a human expert a long time to do, like predicting the trajectory of a rocket or simulating the behavior of molecules for drug development. In finance, AI algorithms can analyze market data, historical trends, and various economic indicators to assist in making investment decisions or detecting fraudulent transactions. Everyday tasks aren't spared either, from self-driving cars navigating roads to virtual assistants understanding your voice commands. AI is hard at work. The question is, what makes AI the ultimate learning machine? Well, it boils down to three main factors. First, AI can process vast amounts of data much faster than humans, spotting patterns and making connections that might not be immediately obvious. Second, it doesn't get tired or distracted. AI can work tirelessly for extended periods without fatigue, maintaining focus on the task at hand. And third, AI can learn from its mistakes and continuously improve. Through feedback loops, it adjusts its algorithms, becoming more accurate and efficient over time. However, despite these incredible capabilities, it's important to remember that AI has its limits. Currently, AI is very good at specific tasks it's trained for, but it struggles with tasks that require broader knowledge or understanding of the world. For example, while AI can analyze vast amounts of legal documents, it might not be able to provide the kind of legal advice that requires a nuanced understanding of human behavior or ethical considerations. Another concern is bias. AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate and even amplify societal biases present in the data they're trained on. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Imagine an AI system that analyzes hiring data and finds that historically men are more likely to be hired for certain roles. If trained on this biased data, the algorithm could inadvertently perpetuate this bias, making it harder for women to get hired. As AI continues to learn and evolve, so do the challenges. Ensuring responsible, ethical, and transparent AI will require ongoing efforts from developers, policymakers, and users alike. Despite these challenges, the future of AI is incredibly exciting. As AI continues to learn and evolve, it's opening doors to new possibilities. Imagine AI-powered prosthetics that respond to their users' needs, or personalized education systems that tailor learning to each student's pace and style. There are 5 key takeaways from this episode that can help you not only understand AI better, but also thrive in this evolving landscape. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. The rapid advancements in AI technology emphasize the importance of continuously learning and upskilling. By developing a growth mindset and embracing change, you can position yourself to succeed in an AI-driven world. No. 2. Focus on uniquely human skills. While AI excels in areas like data analysis and pattern recognition, it currently lacks the uniquely human touch. Nurturing your creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking skills will help you stand out. Number 3, collaborate with AI. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, learn to collaborate with it. Understand its strengths and limitations and work alongside AI to enhance your work and achieve better outcomes. Number 4, stay informed about AI ethics. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to be aware of the ethical considerations surrounding its use. Stay informed about best practices and guidelines to ensure responsible and beneficial AI adoption. And no. 5. Don't fear the learning machine. Yes, AI is advancing rapidly, but it's not here to replace humans. By understanding how AI learns and its real-world applications, you can embrace the opportunities it presents and harness its power to make your life easier and more fulfilling. As we navigate this brave new world, remember that the most important skills might just be the ones that never change: curiosity, creativity, and a willingness to learn. Because no matter how advanced the learning machine becomes, it's our human touch that will always make the difference. Thanks for joining us on this episode. If you enjoyed this episode and want to learn more about AI and other future tech, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And don't forget to share your thoughts and comments below. See you in the next one.